Ain't it great to know that you can come out to your garden and make you a salad from lettuce grown in your garden? Oh boy. Butter crunch lettuce, you're looking good. Let me peel off some of these leaves and make me a great salad tonight. Take off the bottom leaves. Leave the ones in the middle there to continue to grow. Give me some of this romaine lettuce here too. Okay, looking good. Oh, tastes great. Yes, it is. Got lettuce grown in Big Mama's garden. I had picked some of the other salad bowl lettuce earlier. So I'm gonna mix this together with my butter crunch and the romaine lettuce and make me a nice salad tonight. Getting ready to have a great salad with lettuce grown from Big Mama's garden. Let me put my salad dressing on here and get busy eating this wonderful salad tonight.